Hey guys, it's Mr. Hand here, and I'm doing Mr. Hand's toy review. This is the first time I'm doing this, and I hope you guys like it. Today we're interviewing Zerbos. And I never saw this before, but they're the kind from McDonald's. Please don't take any of them, baby. Baby. Okay, so we have a duck. No, baby. Okay. No, baby. Baby, I'm making a video. Why did you do that? Okay, so anyways, I have this soda. It's a chicken. And they open up. Stop! You're ruining my video. Now, you open it by just pressing the button. That's pretty cool, so just grab on my hands, okay? And here is another Zerbo. It's like, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a turtle. It took me, about today to figure out this is a turtle. Well, but as you guys, okay. This, can't open this one. This is a puppy dog, I think. I don't know what these are. Is this a bunny? Because it's tail. I don't know what this is. Here's another turtle. Here's another dog bunny thing. But this baby is collecting all my Zerbos, so I'm greedy thing. And I found these all at his house. Stop! Okay, let me try and open this one. Here's a fish. Here's another dog, which you already saw, because copy. Here is a birdie. Can I see that? Here's a different colored fish. Here is a seal. Here is a monkey, I think. Can't open this one. I know. And here is, I think, a sleeping bear. Don't open it. So, there's the sleeping bear. Stop interrupting my video. Okay, so here is the bear. Oh, and they blink here. It's weird. As they go into a ball, they blink. Here, baby. So that's all I wanted to show you. The Zerbos, but the baby seemed to do some damage. But thank you for watching my videos. Bye-bye.